Hey there! COVID-19 getting you down? Tired of being in lockdown? Missing your favorite Chinese food? Well, I got the video just for you. Today, we're gonna be making some sweet and sour chicken and some crispy pork belly. Let's get started with the sweet and sour. First of all, you need some chicken, cut into cubes. The chicken has been marinated in 1 tablespoon of corn flour, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Any brand will do, really. Make sure it's light soy sauce though. And of course, this is optional. You have 1 tablespoon of Chinese cooking wine. You can get this at any Asian supermarket. Leave this to the side for a bit. Let's have a look at the rest of the ingredients. You're gonna need some chopped peppers, chopped onions and pineapple, chopped garlic, sugar, white pepper, ketchup, rice vinegar, Worcester sauce, plum sauce, oyster sauce, and sriracha. Alright, let's get the batter going for the chicken. Add 3 tablespoons of corn flour and 3 tablespoons of plain flour with a cup of water into a bowl. Mix the flour and water well and grab that chicken that's been marinating and pop it right in the bowl. Mix the chicken into the liquid until the batter becomes thick. And now that it's done, let's heat up some oil on high heat. You can check that the oil is ready by sticking a wooden utensil in it and checking if it's bubbling. Or just drop a bit of batter in it. If it's floating, then you're good to go. Pop in the chicken and let it cook. Don't overcrowd the pan though. This should take around 4 minutes. It's montage time. Now leaving the chicken to the side to cool down for a bit, let's get the sauce ready. In a bowl, mix in 3 tablespoons of ketchup. Someone remind me to get more after this. 1 teaspoon of plum sauce. Half a teaspoon of Worcester sauce. Half teaspoon of rice vinegar. 1/4 teaspoon of oyster sauce. 1 tablespoon of sugar. 3 tablespoons of water. A pinch of pepper, half a teaspoon of corn flour, and a tablespoon of sriracha. Mix well, and you're done. It's cooking time. Heat up the pan on high with a little bit of oil and add your garlic. Fry until fragrant, and then add your peppers and onion. Add your sauce and stir well. Add your pineapple, stir again, and pop them crispy chicken in and toss. Would you look at that? Beautiful. That's it, you're done. Let's move on to our second dish, the crispy pork belly. You'll need, of course, pork belly, salt, and rice vinegar. Now we're going to prep the pork first before frying. Put a bit of boiling water into a pan and then place the pork belly skin side down. Leave this to boil for 15 minutes. While that's boiling, in a separate pot, add a generous amount of salt and vinegar. Mix well like so. After 15 minutes, take the pork belly out. The meat will still be pink. This is okay. We're gonna cook this later. Score the skin horizontally along the entire belly, and then once more vertically across. With a brush or finger, apply the salted vinegar brine all over the skin. Make sure to get right into the nooks and crannies of that skin. And once that's done, place the belly face down in the brine for 5 more minutes. Now we're gonna use the air fryer to cook this today, so place them skin side up in the pot. Set the heat to 200 for 30 minutes, and you're good to go. Now you can hear a lot of popping during the cooking process. That's okay, don't be worried, your thing's not gonna blow up. And will you look at that beautiful crispy pork belly. Let's cut this bad boy. Whew, that is crunchy. Oh wait, you think I'm done? No, here's a bonus recipe. Have some egg fried rice. Heat up the pan with a little bit of oil and add some eggs. Scramble the eggs slightly until they're 80% cooked. We don't want no soggy rice here. Add your rice and squish it into the egg. Add some oyster sauce. You can use soy sauce here too, but we prefer oyster sauce. Mix well. And add some salt. Sprinkle some spring onion on top, mix, and you're all set for your Fakeaway. Now, on to the taste test. And there we go. Fried rice, sweet and sour chicken, just like your Chinese takeaway. Let's give it a try. Taking my first bite now. Oh yeah. That's just like it. Just like the Chinese. Maybe, I feel like the sauce is a little bit too spicy. Just a little, for me. Anyway, it needs to be sweeter. So maybe ditch the sriracha, put more ketchup next time. Try the crispy pork. Now, you heard the crunch when I cut it, maybe you hear the crunch when I bite it. And have it a little bit of sweet soy sauce. Wow. That is crispy. You don't taste that vinegar at all. I was a little bit worried at first, but no vinegar. Just nice, crunchy pork belly. Anyway, I'm gonna get back to my dinner here. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked it, remember to click that subscribe button. And remember, social distancing, stay safe, stay home. Enjoy. I'll see you later.